deep down in the dungeon. Look at you, look at look.
Now what was this here?
That's what they said where they stayed when they were sick.
Jeez.
And there's music, and then... Okay, come on. That's that. That's where we just came out of. Okay, come on.
Got some pudding going.
I don't think they did.
What a boring job. People just stand around the corner.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, come on, let's go this way.
Yeah, it's just fun.
You're being recorded.